Oral health problems are common and don't always mean that your mouth isn't cleaned. Sometimes these problems come from disease because of some foods and bacterial growth in the parts of the mouth that are harder to see. Most people try to treat these problems using cleansing rinses that promise to lower the level of germs in the mouth. However, there is an old Ayurvedic remedy which can be used to boost oral health. It is known as oil pulling, but it really means to wash the mouth with a vegetable oil. By using oils that kill bacteria, you can get rid of tartar, bad breath, and other problems like gingivitis. How does oil pulling work? You can use any vegetable oil for this treatment, like sesame, olive, or sunflower oil, but coconut oil works best. It has fatty acids and kills bacteria to lessen the amount of germs in the mouth. In fact, scientists have shown that it kills the Streptococcus mutans bacterium, which causes teeth to rot and other oral problems. This works because it kills bacteria and brings down swelling. How can using coconut oil help your health? Coconut oil can be eaten and has a good taste. It is really easy to use as a mouth rinse and can even be used as a main ingredient for homemade toothpaste. Because coconut oil can kill germs in the mouth, using it all the time can be really helpful to your health, and it is good to know how. 1. Avoid gum disease. Coconut oil brings down swelling, which can help block and treat gingivitis and other oral health issues. This problem comes when the immune system starts fighting the bacteria that cause plaque, which then makes the gums swell. Using coconut oil lessens the traces left by these bacteria and changes the home they need in order to grow. It is also useful for blocking and treating bleeding gums. 2. Fight jaw pain. This oil makes the jaw stronger and guards from infections, swelling, and pain. Some people say to use this as a treatment for temporomandibular joint pain. 3. Get rid of bad breath. Bad breath is an embarrassing problem that can affect the social life and self-esteem of anyone who has it. It is caused by the wastes and gases leaked by the bacteria that live in the mouth. Rinsing and flossing are two good ways to treat this problem. Instead of rinsing using things with hard alcohols, it is better to use this natural oil which is safe to eat. It is shown to lower the amount of bacteria on the teeth and tongue and to fight bad breath. 4. Whiten your teeth. Coconut oil won't whiten your teeth like a real treatment, but it can help get rid of the yellow stains that come on your teeth because of the plaque and pieces of food that build up. Using it as a rinse and toothpaste cleans teeth and keeps the tongue from getting an ugly white layer. How do you use coconut oil as a mouth rinse? Gently swish 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in your mouth and between your teeth for 10 to 20 minutes. Be careful not to swallow any of the oil. Also, make sure to swish it gently so that your jaw and cheeks don't start hurting. Then, brush your teeth like you usually do. You can also mix coconut oil with a little bit of baking soda to make a toothpaste. Remember that the oil hardens when it gets cold, so don't spit it into the sink after you rinse with it. Instead, spit it into a paper towel or bowl and throw it in the garbage. Some people say to do this treatment in the morning, right before breakfast. However, it can be done any time of day. Also, wash your mouth out with warm water after if you don't like the oily feeling in your mouth. So, are you ready to give this treatment a try? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.